Continuing on with the rest of CNC Group Break number 1871 and the 1213 Artifacts and Fleer Retro. Good luck, everybody. We've got a Tundra Tandems for the Phoenix Coyotes, Keith Yandel and Oliver Ekman-Larsson. We've got a Team Canada insert to $9.99 for the Florida Panthers, Eric Branson. We've got a rookie Emerald, number to 99 for the Carolina Hurricanes, Jeremy Welsh. Goalie insert to $9.99 for the Colorado Avalanche, Semyon Varlamov. We've got an Emerald, number to 99 for the Detroit Red Wings, Nicky Lidstrom. We've got a dual jersey, number to 125 for the Edmonton Oilers, Taylor Hall. We've got an Autofax for the Florida Panthers, Marco Sturm. We got a rookie to $9.99 for the Colorado Avalanche, Tyson Barrie. And we got a rookie redemption for the San Jose Sharks. I think Matthew Irwin still their only debut, unless I missed somebody or I'm forgetting somebody. Time for the patch. And we've got a Team Canada jersey and 3-color patch number to 75 for the Chicago Blackhawks, Brent Seabrook. All right, now on to the retro to finish it off. Well, so far consistent, this one's been ridiculous. So I got to assume the big one's going to be like triply ridiculous. Alright, we start with a Flair Showcase for the Vancouver Canucks, Pavel Bure, and a retro for the Oilers, Taylor Hall. Retro for the Canadiens, Carey Price, and a retro for the Oilers, Jordan Eberle. We've got a Metal Universe hardware for the New York Rangers, Henrik Lundqvist. We've got an autographics for the Nashville Predators, Ryan Ellis. We've got a rookie sensation autograph for the Ottawa Senators, Mark Stone. Metal Universe for the Vancouver Canucks, Corey Schneider. And a retro for the Sharks, Joe Pavelski. We've got a Metal Universe for the Edmonton Oilers, Jordan Eberle. And a retro for the Penguins, Sidney Crosby. We've got an EX for the Edmonton Oilers, Mark Messier. And a retro for the Sharks, Joe Pavelski. We've got an Intimidation Nation for the New York Rangers, Chris Kreider. Nice. And we finish this box with a rookie sensation autograph for the Toronto Maple Leafs, UC Runis. Now on to the second mini box. All right, we got a Metal Universe for the Chicago Blackhawks, Jonathan Toews. And a retro for the Oilers, Jordan Eberle. Metal Universe for the Colorado Avalanche, Gabriel Landeskog. And a retro for the Penguins, Sidney Crosby. We've got an EX for the LA Kings, Jonathan Quick. And a retro for the Capitals, Alex Ovechkin. And we've got a Precious Metal Gems Ruby, number 26 of 100 for the Montreal Canadiens, PK Subban. PMG Ruby, number 100 for the Canadiens, PK Subban. We've got an autographics for the San Jose Sharks, Tommy Wingels. Autographics for the New York Islanders, Josh Bailey. All right then. We've got a Precious Metal Gems Ruby, number 24 of 100 for the Philadelphia Flyers, Pelle Lindbergh. Pelle Lindbergh, PMG Ruby, number 100 for the Flyers. We've got a base autograph for the Washington Capitals, Braden Holtby. We've got a Flair Showcase for the New Jersey Devils, Marty Brodeur. And a retro for the Lightning, Martin St. Louis. And the last pack of the break has a Flair Showcase for the LA Kings, Wayne Gretzky. And a retro for the Rangers, Marian Gaborik. All right, multi-randoms coming up, which is only going to consist of